Doc, ang dami kong acne marks and acne scars. No? Usually, yan yung unang complaint pag pumapasok yung patient sa consult room. And yet, pag titignan ko yung face nila, ang dami pang buhay na pimples. Gusto nilang magpa-acne scar protocol and yet, ang dami pang buhay na pimples. Tandaan nyo parate, it's always the acne na kailangan nating i-treat. Why? Yung acne marks and acne scars, consequence lang yan ng iyong acne. We need to control the acne. Does it mean hindi ka pa pwedeng magpa-acne scar protocol? It depends. So pag talagang yung face mo punong-puno pa ng acne, then we do not allow it in the clinic. But let's say 2 to 5 lang, hindi naman ganun kalaki, mukhang namamanage pa, no? Then we will allow you to do your acne scar protocol. However, kailangan natin isabay yung pag-treat ng acne mo. Hindi pwedeng puro scars lang, puro marks lang, we also need to treat your acne. So what are the best ways to treat your acne? Una, when it comes to procedure, si Agnes. Si Agnes, tinutusok natin yan sa skin, nagre-release siya ng burst of RF energy. Pagka-release niya ng energy, natutunaw or nasisira yung oil glands natin under the skin permanently. Pag nasira na yung oil glands, wala na siyang chance maging pimple. Now, if needed talaga, we will prescribe you oral isotretinoin para yung acne mo tumahimik na talaga. In short, the best treatment for acne marks and acne scars is to first treat your active acne. If you're unsure, ano ba unahin ko to? Yung acne marks, yung acne scars, yung acne, no? We can give you a comprehensive plan, what you can do. Pwede naman pagsabayan, no? We will treat your acne. We can also start working on your acne scars depending on the severity of your acne. Kung hindi ka sure, come visit us sa clinic.